Hello and welcome back to another AOIME video, and today we are covering the 2020 AOIME number 3. So the value of x that satisfies log base to the x of 3 to the 20th is equal to log base to the x plus 3 over 2 to of 3 to the 20th, and that can be written as m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. Find n plus n. So first of all, we take this expression here. Let's let this each be a common value of a. So if we actually rewrite the logs here, using what we know about logs, the definition of a log, you get that 2 to the x to the a power is equal to 3 to the 20th. And from the other equation, we get that 2 to the x plus 3 to the a power is equal to 3 to the 20th. So now what we can do here is, this actually gives us that 2 times ax, 2 to the ax power is equal to 3 to the 20th, and 2 to the a x plus 3 power is equal to 3 to the 20th. From here, we can raise these to the power of 1 over x each. And so what that does is, I'll write here, that isolates the 2 to the a. So we get 2 to the a is equal to 3 to the 20 over x over here. You'll understand why I'm doing this in a second. I'm doing this because we can do the same thing over here just by raising each thing to the 1 over x plus 3 power. And if we do that, we get that 2 to the a is equal to 3 to the 20 over x plus 3. If we raise each side to the 1 over x plus 3 power, because by multiplying, we're canceling out the x plus 3. So now what happens here is that both of these values are equal to 2 to the a's, and thus both of these values are equal to each other. 2 to the 20 over x is equal to 3 to the 20 over x plus 3. Now for this statement to hold, we want both of the exponents to be equal. So that gives us that 20 over x is equal to 20 over x plus 3. Some simple cross multiplication will give us 20x plus 60 equals 20x. That gives us that x is equal to 60 over 2,000 if you solve this equation. Now we can factor out a 20 from each. We can divide 20 on the numerator and denominator to simplify this down to 3 over 100. And since now we have written this in the form m over n, where m and n are relatively prime, we just sum these up and we get the answer is 103. If you found this video helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It would mean a lot to us. And if you're interested in joining our Discord server, I will leave the description down below. Thank you for watching.